watch the video, let me tell you about the pieces that I received. I received a 2-piece lounge set. Oh my God, y'all. This lounge set feels so good. I call them warm-up sheets in my day because, like I said, lounge, just like it says, because you feel like you can lounge around all day long in it. It feels so good to your skin. It's the way it's on your body, the way it comes down on your body, like, I can't describe it. It's a very secure feeling. But it feels so good, and I want it all colors, and I hope that after watching this video, you want it all colors as well. And then I have my Power Tight Sandwich No Seam leggings. Oh, when I say they are just like these are not part of that, but I love my Good to Go. I have to give a shout out to all this stuff. But those leggings, they are so soft that they are also effective. So compression, you feel it tight, it's snug on you, pulling everything in, and that's what you want when you're walking out. You want to feel like me anyway, who has all this front. I want to make sure that I got it all bundled up together, and that's what iUgga does. It gives you the feel and it gives you the comfort. So what are you waiting for to buy yours? Let me know. Check the code out in the comments, in the description, and the description.